Hi, this is just a follow-up video to my previous video about the first three cases for the feminine noun. It's more of an exercise, yes, so that you can practice for the feminine nouns the first three cases. Okay, so let's just start. If we take the word torta, cake, right? So if we say kdo ali kaj, the first case, we can say, for example, torta je dobra. Okay, the second case, koga ali česa, for what is not. Torte ni na mizi. The cake is not on the table. Na mizi. On the table or on the desk. Yeah? And the third case, komu ali čemu dam. To who or to what do I give? Komu ali čemu. Torti dam svečo. I give a candle to the cake. It's a bit weird, but I hope you understand what I'm saying here. So the cake is been giving something, right? So, kdo ali kaj, torta, koga ali česa, torte, komu ali čemu, torti. Okay? And then another word, let's say babica, grandmother, you could say. Kdo ali kaj, babica. Kdo ali kaj je, babica je prijazna. Koga ali česa ni, babice. Koga ali česa ni, babice ni v hiši. The grandmother is not in the house. Ni v hiši. V hiši, in the house, ni is not. Okay? Babica, babice. Komu ali čemu dam, to who or to what do I give? Babici dam torto. I give cake to my grandmother. Okay? So, babica, babice, babici. Kdo ali kaj? Babica. Koga ali česa? Babice. Komu ali čemu? Babici. Okay, so now I have a little task for you. So for the word sestra, sister, knjiga, book, and miza, table. Can you do the first three cases and write them down in the comment section below? Just like we did now, kdo ali kaj, torta, koga ali česa, torte, komu ali čemu, torti. Okay? So if you can just do this for the three words, and I will check it if you understand how to do the first three cases. And yeah, I hope you like this video. If you do, please let me know, and I will make more kind of this exercise video. So yeah, and of course I will help, so don't worry. Okay, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.